Hey, Brian from GarageMahal. Today I have a Vevor portable massage table. So we're going to open it up, take a look at how it works, and we go from there. So the box is a little on the heavier side, so maybe a team lift initially. Okay. That's what the inside of the box looks like. Okay. So right away, I love that it has a strap on it. So you can adjust that to swing over your shoulder. Now let's open this up and see what we get inside. Packing material off. Okay, so it's got the two handles on that side, so nice and sturdy. And to open it, we have a buckle on that side, a buckle on that side, and then that opens up like that. Legs fold out. And we got some other accessories in here. Off to the side. Pretty neat. So the head piece is Velcroed in there. Velcro that onto there. And then this opens up so you can extend this piece out. Okay. Then it's got the two handles that you can help flip this table up and over. I'm going to flip it from this side. Nice and sturdy. Bag out of the way. And then this is the headpiece. It goes in. And it does seem like there is some adjustment on that, so you can articulate that to whatever positions you need. We'll put this slightly up a little bit. And then again, it pulls out. So you can adjust that for any height user. Let me pull this further back. Okay, so the legs are adjustable, so you have a bunch of different holes there to range for a bunch of different heights, and you can probably preset that up. And lifting it up, you can see the different support configuration underneath. So very sturdy. And you have this headpiece. So this is if you're facing down. This would be if you're facing up. So this is kind of like a pillow extension, and it has the Velcro, so you can Velcro underneath the frame. And then underneath this board piece underneath, so that makes it nice and sturdy. And again, it's kind of like the visual on that side. And then this is the foot end of it. Okay, and again, just unclip that, and that will fold that up. Flip it in, Velcros apart, and then these legs fold in nice and easy. Okay, so this pad, let's put up in here, and the leg folds down on that. Then you have your pillow, goes here, and then the other piece goes here. That closes up. Buckle that down. Buckle that down. Then you're all done. Anyway, Brian from GarageMahal. Thanks for watching and be safe out there.